Hello friends, let's start for the today's session the template class, or we can call it as one function written in single time, but it can accept the different data types arguments. Okay, means what? Let's say we have written one simple greater number one function. In this function I have passed just two arguments. Okay, this function has written, it means define single time, so it is going to return a greater number just by giving these two inputs. Okay, so now with the same function I want to find out the greater number between these two. Okay, so now the first one is the integer data type and second one is the double data type. Okay, means what we're trying to say, we need to write one function in a way that it can take the different types of arguments. Means once it will take integer values, next time it will take the double values. So based on this parameter, this function will identify which type of operation is going to perform on which data type. Okay, so for that reason C++ has given us the feature called the template class. Template class. This class basically is a container. Means what? This function allows, it means this template allows a function or a class to work on many different data types without being rewritten for each one, for each methods. Okay, so let's see how to work with this template class. Now here in my main program I have called the greater number is a method. So in this method I have passed 10 and 20, these are the two integer values, and then greater number 100.2 and 20.6 are the two float numbers or double numbers. Okay, so now but here this function has written single time with the arguments like a and b, but here we have placed x. So what is x? This x is nothing but the object of this template class. Okay, means what? We need to write the template as a keyword and then class keyword and the object of that class. This particular x is going to define the data type of the arguments. Okay, means what? Here greater number into the bracket 10 and 20. When we'll call this function, at that time the control goes to here and it will check a is a 10 and b is a 20. Okay, so now here these are the integer numbers. Okay, so automatically it is going to find out the data type of these arguments and it is going to execute based on that logic. The same way we are going to call the greater number method, the same method we are going to call, but here the arguments are different. Okay, so again a is going to store 100.2 and b is going to store 20.6. so again these parameters are going to define the data type of these particular arguments. Okay, means what? Here as we have said, there is no need to rewrite the code again and again for the different data types, so that template can work on the different data types. Okay, let's see the output of this code. Okay, now simply B is a greater number 20 and A is a greater number 100.2. Okay, so based on these parameters, it is going to find out the type of arguments. So this one is nothing but the template class. Okay, thank you.